Why is your undercut haircut laying so flat? Well, think about the haircut itself. And I know you're probably thinking, oh my God, I wanted an undercut. I want my hair to be super cool, but it just lays so flat and I don't like it. I don't like it. And what am I supposed to do? Salon guy, help me. Well, here's the thing about these types of haircuts. First of all, an undercut is designed to have all this hair underneath the cut. What that does, first of all, is it removes a whole bunch of weight, a whole bunch of bulk that may normally be causing your hair to poof out. So the haircut itself is removing a lot of weight. So your hair that lays over this is naturally gonna lay flatter and closer to your head. All right, so don't think of that as a bad thing. Look at all this. If there was hair underneath, there'd be a lot more volume in through here in the sides. So think about really why are you getting an undercut? Is it because you want to have a cool haircut, or are you really like, my hair gets so thick on the sides, I can't take it anymore, and I need to have a haircut to get rid of all this, and I want to have a cool haircut at the same time? That's where an undercut like this would come in handy. So you're really doing two things, removing the weight and having a cool haircut. So again, you could see the hair is laying very, very flat to the head, and that's because we got rid of all that weight, which probably is a good thing, especially if you're complaining about having super thick hair. Now, another reason it could be so flat is because, and again, don't take it as it's a bad thing. This haircut is designed to be a bit more on the closer to the head type of shape. I don't like to say flat, right? A bit smoother in texture, not so voluminous, we could say. But if you have really, really silky, straight hair, it's gonna lay flat anyway, right? This haircut is designed to be more of a one length haircut. So if you have no layers whatsoever in through here, and it's all one length, meaning the hair from the scalp comes all the way down like this. See that? It comes all the way down here. That's one length. That has the maximum weight, and that is gonna make the hair lay the flattest. That's just how it works. That's how these haircuts are, okay? And it's gonna naturally be flat, especially if you're doing a center parting. That's it, there's nothing you can do. If you are looking to create more volume in an undercut, then maybe you can have some layers and stuff, but just keep in mind, or flip it around to the other side. But just keep in mind, again, it goes back to why would you want this type of haircut anyway? If you want something that has a lot of volume and texture, maybe the undercut haircut is not the right haircut for you, okay? You can have a haircut that is undercut and have it much shorter and have a lot of layers. That's totally cool. Just make sure the person who's cutting it matches with your vision and the haircut you want, and make sure it's the right haircut for you, because the last thing you want is to have all this hair shaved off underneath and it's just not the right shape or not the right balance or just not the right look for you. Again, so that's why your hair, your undercut is probably laying a bit more flat, and there's nothing wrong with that, again. But if you use something like my product Tidal Wave, that can get a little more volume. That just comes down to the styling methods and techniques. Then you can have a bit more volume to your haircut. Let me know if you found these tips helpful. If you are interested in the Tidal Wave or 25 spray, any of my products, use code YouTube20, which is an exclusive code here on YouTube, YouTube20, and it's free shipping in the United States on an order value over $50. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.